Have you ever watched a great movie that stays with you long after the credits roll? That's what sustaining long-term value in real estate is like. It keeps delivering benefits year after year. Welcome back to ECMP Studio, guys. I'm Amit Grover, and today we wrap up our series by focusing on how to sustain and maximize the long-term value of properties financed with SBA loans. This is about more than just maintaining an investment. It's about growing its worth and ensuring it continues to yield profits well into the future. First, let's discuss the importance of strategic property management. Effective management can transform a good investment into a great one. This includes everything from choosing the right tenants to maintaining the property in top condition. Think of your property like a star athlete. With the right coaching and management, its performance can only improve. Next, consider the role of continuous improvement and upgrades. In the world of real estate, stagnation is your enemy. Regular updates and enhancements not only keep your property competitive, but also increase its market value. It's like constantly updating your phone software to keep it running smoothly and efficiently. Now, why should you focus on maximizing long-term value? Because real estate is not just a purchase, it's a journey. The more you invest in enhancing your property, the more it will return to you in terms of revenue and increased equity. It's about building a legacy that stands the test of times. Strategies to ensure sustained success include regular assessments. You have to conduct periodic evaluations of your property to identify areas for improvement or renovations. Next, financial health checks. You have to keep your finances robust. Monitor cash flow, optimize expenses, and even ensure your investments are always financially sound. Next, you have to engage with experts. Regular consultations with real estate professionals can provide insights and advice on market trends and potential upgrades. As we conclude our series, remember that the journey in real estate investments is continuous. The decisions you make today shape your financial future. Stay informed, stay proactive, and always aim to enhance the value of your investments. Remember, investing in knowledge pays the best interest. Thank you for following this series on ECMP Studios. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Do you have thoughts or questions about maximizing long-term value in real estate? Drop them in the comments below. We're excited to continue this journey with you. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay